This 2019 Keystone Springdale Mini 1800 BH front queen, 2 bunk beds and full bath is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Springdale Mini 1800 BH front queen, 2 bunk beds and full bath is 3,360 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.